Want to give your car the royal treatment?
At Undrdog, we get it. Your car is your baby. That's why you need our detailers to put a suit of armor on it. With Undrdog Pro Plus protective coating. The next generation exterior protection that's tougher, glossier, and better than any wax job. Waxing takes forever and only lasts a few days. But after a trip to an authorized Undrdog detailer, Pro Plus coating lasts for years and years. With that deep, lustrous protective coating, your car's gonna turn heads. Mostly yours. Head to getundrdog.com to find a detailer near you for the coating your ride deserves. Once your baby's like new again, then it's your turn.
Oh, come to Papa!
Maintain that mirror shine with our full lineup of easy-to-use cleaning supplies.
Quick detailer?
Of course, why should it take long? For the easiest way to the nicest coat, go to getundrdog.com for a detailer near you. Ride to the top with Undrdog.